Trop chouette. Ah mais je vais prendre les pivoines.
Quoi?
Hello, bonjour, I'm Jill and welcome back into my French kitchen. I'm just back from the market, as you can see, and I have the most glorious rhubarb. I have a little problem here. I want to make some compote, but I always find that our rhubarb is awful green and I just want to get rid of that. So I've got a little tip. Hibiscus tea. Compote is so versatile, healthy and cheap to make, but I feel it is a bit underrated. It's low in sugar and great for accompanying loads of desserts. Just try it spooned over vanilla ice cream. First wash and trim your rhubarb, then discard the inedible leaves. Weigh your rhubarb, then cut into chunks and place in a bowl with a quarter of the amount of sugar. Unlike jam, compote loses a lot less. Leave to macerate in the sugar for 2 to 3 hours or overnight to release the lovely rhubarb juices. This is where the pink magic comes in. I love adding hibiscus tea or cacaday to the syrup. It gives off a crimson colour and a slight cranberry flavour. Either use dried hibiscus flowers or use tea bags. There are so many different infusions out there to choose from. This particular batch I used rose tea and added some dried hibiscus flowers. Fantastic. We're just going to boil the syrup for about 10 to 15 minutes, just until it starts impairing a lovely colour. And that's it. Once your pink syrup has reduced slightly, remove the tea bags and add your rhubarb. Bring it to the boil once you've stirred it around and simmer gently for about 10 minutes. It's ready when the rhubarb collapses into the pink hibiscus syrup. If you really love your straws too, then don't forget you can add some at the beginning of this recipe. Leave to cool, then decant into jam jars and chill. Compote keeps sealed well in the fridge for up to a week and it freezes really well. It's perfect when you need a dose of rhubarb in the winter months. You see my peony roses? Hubby still loves it over his homemade granola in the mornings though. It's vegan too, by the way. Oh, and I just about forgot. If you're liking the recipes, please subscribe below and join in the fun. Until next time, au revoir et à très bientôt.